Do you enjoy getting busy in the kitchen? As any chef knows, having a set of top chef knives is extremely important. If you want to slice and dice a wide range of ingredients perfectly, you need some top chef's knives. The best chef knives come in a wide range of different shapes, styles, and sizes. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you out with some of the best in the business. Please go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buying links. The Cartini Classic Chef Knife is suitable for professional use in home and restaurant. The ergonomically designed handles of this knife ensure extended use. The forged structure offers greater strength and taper ground for extra stability. They come with contour molded handles for better ergonomics and to prevent any chances of accidents. When it comes to multi-purpose all-rounder knives, the chef knife is the right choice. These kinds of knives can be used to cut vegetables, fruits, and different kinds of meat. This knife can be used for other purposes, and the contour molded handles on these knives provides a firm grip. The Shubh kitchen knife is made with safe, durable, and quality blades that make your chopping, cutting an easier way. It uses a high carbon stainless steel, is a rust resistant material that is strong and edge holding. The handle gives you lasting beauty, durability, stable dimensions, and protection from moisture. This vegetable chef knife is comfortable to utilize, lightweight, and it has a sound balance that anyone can use. It is very convenient to hold, and its slim appearance makes it easy to maneuver. This knife is so sharp that it will cut right through tomatoes and other delicate vegetables without squishing or damaging its soft skin in the process. On the other hand, this knife can quickly handle your daily kitchen tasks like chopping, slicing, dicing, mincing, significantly cut through meat, ribs, fruit, and vegetables. Home cooks and experienced chefs alike will appreciate this convenient RYLAN knife set. The professional quality knives feature durable stainless steel blades that are sharp and stain resistant. These stainless steel chef knives are ideal for chopping, slicing, and mincing vegetables or meat. The riveted handle offers a sturdy and firm grip, suitable for regular use. Its high-quality serrations in these knives ensure extra sharpness for your chopping, dicing, and slicing needs. This knife features 5 multi-purpose knives and a free peeler with a wooden block for storage. With the contour molded handles for a firm grip, this set is a must-have in the contemporary kitchen. On the other hand, it is crafted from superior quality steel. The knives in this set will last for years ahead. For home chefs and professionals, the all-new Victorinox Fibrox Pro knife is a perfect companion. This knife expertly crafted with a tapered stainless steel edge that cuts with ease and efficiency. Designed to handle kitchen tasks both big and small, it is razor sharp and laser tested blade effortlessly chops, minces, slices, and dices. This exceptional knife is weighted and balanced for easy handling. The blade is made out of stainless steel material and comes with 7.9 inches in length. Plus, it is built with safe dishwasher materials for an easy clean. For optimum performance, knives should be honed after every couple of uses. Proper and frequent use of a honing steel will keep your blades sharper and performing at their best. The ZWILLING Professional Knife is a classic French chef's knife with a broad blade and a curved cutting edge for rocking through a chopping task. It provides perfect geometry, high precision, and improved blade and steel structure stability, thus improving cutting edge retention for lasting sharpness. The laser-controlled edge makes it sharper, and it stays sharper longer. This blade is Fibrox ice hardened, which gives maximum no-stain properties and more blade strength. Also, it has improved resistance to corrosion and pitting. The super bolster provides weight, ensures safety, and adds balance. Besides, its full visible tang construction provides proper balance and greater strength to the blade. Further, it uses triple riveted Novador handles, which make it durable, strong, and smooth. At the same time, these comfortable handles are perfectly balanced.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.